My name is Vladimir Atrashenko, and I am researcher at Eni Enrique Matei Foundation. I will be teaching the course titled Economic Evaluation of Non-Market Goods. During this course, students have opportunity to see and learn how the recommendation for policymakers appear. In particular, students will learn important evaluation techniques for non-market goods. This course is designed to help students to understand and apply these evaluation techniques in real life. They also will learn statistical software. The structure of the course is the following. We'll study stated preference technique, reveal preference technique, and value of statistical life. By the end of this course, students will select and apply proper statistical techniques. As well, they will be able to conduct independent research. We are looking forward to welcome you in this course.